In this video, I'll show you how to take burst photos on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. All you have to do is launch the camera app on your device. And then within the camera app, tap on the arrow at the top of the screen. And from the options that appear, simply select timed burst. Then now before you can take a burst photos, you have to enable it. So tap on the on option. And then now you can customize to choose how many number of photos you can take and also the interval of those particular photos. So you can choose from 10 up to 600, or if you want to select unlimited, you can select unlimited. And also you can choose from an interval of 1 second to 60 seconds. So for this video, I'll just choose interval of 1 second, and then I'll take 10 photos. So once you've enabled that and you've customized everything, so simply go back to the home page, and then now you can capture your burst photos. So let me just put this random item here, and then all you have to do is simply press the shutter button, or rather tap on the shutter button, and it will start taking the burst photos. And that's basically it on how to take burst photos on your Redmi Note 14. Now if you'd like to view the burst photos, all you have to do is simply tap on the gallery icon at the bottom left corner within the camera app, and then you'll see that this image was taken as a burst photo. So as you can see, this icon at the bottom indicating that that image was a burst shot or burst photos. Now you can customize this image to suit your needs. So all you have to do is simply tap on that icon at the bottom, and then now you should see a list of all the images that are currently available on that burst photo. Now all you have from here, you can choose the images that you'd like to keep. So let's say if I want to keep these 3 images, all you have to do is select them, and then once you select them, simply tap on the check mark, and then you'll see this option, export items. So you can choose to export all photos, or you can choose to export the selected photos. So since you want to keep those 3 images, you can simply choose export selected photos. So select that, and there you go. You can now see those 3 images that you have exported on your phone's gallery. So that's basically it on how to take burst photos on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.